Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn the names of different spices found in our surroundings. We will learn their names in English as well as in Hindi. So let's start. Mint, and in Hindi pudina. This is yellow mustard seed, and in Hindi sarso. This is called curry leaves, and in Hindi curry patta. This is called cinnamon, and in Hindi dalchini. This is called Carom seeds, and in Hindi ajwain. This is called Asafoetida, and in Hindi hing. This is called saffron, and in Hindi kesar. This is called star anise, and in Hindi chakra phool. This is called green cardamom, and in Hindi hari ilaichi. This is called dry mango powder, and in Hindi amchur powder. This is called sesame seeds, and in Hindi til. This is called bay leaves, and in Hindi tej patta. This is called poppy seeds, and in Hindi khaskhas. This is called rock salt, and in Hindi sendha namak. This is called black salt, and in Hindi kala namak. This is called black pepper, and in Hindi kali mirch. This is called cumin seeds, and in Hindi jeera. This is called mace, and in Hindi javitri. This is called dry ginger, and in Hindi sondh. This is called cloves, and in Hindi long. This is called coriander seeds, and in Hindi dhania. This is called onion powder, and in Hindi piyaj powder. This is called garlic, and in Hindi lasoon. This is called red chilli, and in Hindi lal mirch. This is called green chilli, and in Hindi hari mirch. This is called turmeric powder, and in Hindi haldi. This is called white salt, and in Hindi namak. This is called ginger, and in Hindi adrak. This is called tamarind, and in Hindi, imli. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So thank you.